card, the floodgates are open. You bring that to Mass Health, you bring it to HUD, you bring it to anywhere you want, and the benefits flow.
What's the verification process?
We don't know. Literally, we have asked the state to provide us with the names of the people who are on the rolls now. Now, these are names, the federal government gives the state billions of dollars to distribute. We asked them, USDA asked them for the list of names of the recipients, and they refused to turn them over. And the USDA wants the names and the identifiers so they can confirm whether these people are actually true identities or are also receiving these payouts in other states.
So were you surprised how easy it was to find this out and follow this trail of deception and then find out who was responsible? Was there a sense of impunity amongst these fraudsters?
There's actually been a sense of impunity. Our investigation started in December.